Hi folks, Dr. Bob McCauley, Dissolve, BioActive Silicate. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of my health updates. Dissolve is the name I gave to this product, BioActive Silicate. It's very unique stuff. I honestly have never seen anything like it before. It's biologically active crystalline silicon. Silicon is an essential mineral. Of course, all minerals are essential, meaning that we have to take them in from the outside. We can't produce them in the body, such as essential amino acids, essential fatty acids, and essential minerals. All minerals are essential. Silicon is a very important one. We use it for human growth in general, but also for your joints and your tendons, your hair. It prevents wrinkles. It has a lot of different uses throughout the body. I promoted and sold a type of silicon in liquid angstrom form for many years. You take about a capful, of maybe a teaspoon, hold it under your tongue. It goes into your body directly through your sublingual duct and hits the bloodstream and is distributed throughout the body. This is a great way to get any kind of mineral into the body, as I've said for years. But BioActive Silicate is totally different because it's actually a crystalline form of silicon. Now, what makes that so different is silicon is just kind of an inert mineral, won't do anything in the body, won't move, but when it's in its crystalline form, it actually is growing, it's alive. So if you were to take some of this and put it on the side of a glass, it would grow crystals down there and on the side of the glass and continue to grow and show you that it's what we say bioactive. Now, normal silicon won't do that. It will just sit there. It's kind of silicon, this is what you find in sand. Dissolve comes very highly concentrated, so you take some and you put it into purified water. Very important you put it into purified water. And not any kind of spring water or anything like that, unless that's the only kind of water you can get. But you put it into the distilled water so nothing reacts with it. And then you just go ahead and take it down. It's got a little bit of a bitter taste to it.
Well, I would say it's almost got a spicy thing. It grips you.
You like it, though, right?
It grips you going down, man.
But it really is amazing what it does in the body, because one of the things it will do is go in there and kill bacteria. And it'll get in there and really just get out all that biofilm, which is kind of coats the inside of the body, especially if you live on a really bad diet. And what is biofilm? Biofilm is kind of this slimy layer of bacteria that grows on things, and it grows in the interior body, it grows around organs, and it's just kind of something that doesn't belong there. It's and you need to get rid of it. Well, it's really difficult to get rid of. And another thing is very difficult to get rid of is nano-bacteria. Now, nano-bacteria are really small bacteria, 1,000,000 times smaller than the average bacteria, and they'll get into your arteries and grow, and they excrete a type of calcium, and that calcium actually coats over the bacteria so that the body doesn't recognize that there is a bacteria there and go and fight it. Because it's coated over with this calcium, so it doesn't recognize it. Well, they discovered, this is going back 10 years or more, this nano-bacteria, it was growing inside arteries and plugging up arteries. So one of the things that gets inside your arteries and clogs them up, quote unquote, is not just cholesterol and other junk, but it's nano-bacteria that has excreted its calcium in so many times through the years that you end up with this calcium layer inside the arteries, and that's what's blocking your artery. Well, Dissolve will get in there, this bioactive silicate, and dissolve that, will kill that, and strip the body of its biofilm. One of the other things Dissolve will do is detoxify the body. And as I've said many times, a toxin is something that doesn't belong in the body. It doesn't have any useful function. We need to get it out of there. There's a lot of talk out there these days that detoxification is just a bunch of nonsense, and they're trying to sell you detoxification products, and you don't need to detoxify and all this, and it's just a buzzword. And I'm really 100% against that, because my main phrase is HAD, hydrate, alkalize, detoxify your body, HAD. I've been saying it for 20 years now. And dissolve will detoxify the body, get those things out of there that you don't need, and alkalize it, and bring your body pH up to normal. So dissolve bioactive silicate, great for your joints, your tendons, taking out wrinkles, this kind of stuff. But this is a unique form of silicon. It's bioactive. It's a crystalline form that is actually alive and growing. The crystal will keep going and keep growing. And it's great at cleaning out the body and getting yourself back in the kind of position where your body can heal itself of any disease. And it can do that, believe me. Dr. Bob, and I'll see you next time.
Well, I would say it's almost got a spicy thing. It grips you.
You like it, though, right?
It grips you going down, man.